The first part of tonight's homework asks you to determine whether a given point is the solution to a system with three variables. So one method of determining whether or not that is the solution is to just figure out the solution on your own and see if it matches. If you listen to all of the notes, you know that can take about 11.5 minutes. So maybe there's a simpler way. And this comes down to basic math, multiple choice test taking strategies. Right? If I have 4 choices as to what the solution to this could be, you could solve it and see which one it matches, or more simply, you can just plug it in and see if it works. This is the solution if it works in not only the blue one and not only the red one, but also the orange one. So if this works in all 3 situations, it's absolutely the solution. Let's try with the blue one first. I'm going to say 4x minus y plus 3z equals 13. But of course, instead of those letters, I'm going to insert the x, y, and z values. -1, -2, 5. Multiplying it out, that is -4. Minus a -2 is +2. 3 times 5 plus 15 equals 13. -4 plus 2 is -2. Plus 15 equals 13. Combining those now, 13 equals 13. True statement, so far so good. If this were false, I'd be done. I could just say no. Since this didn't work out, it absolutely doesn't work. It has to work in all 3 to be true. So I got to keep going until one of them fails or until all 3 of them work, in which case I know it is the solution. The red one was x plus y plus z equals 2. Now if this one you didn't need to write down, I totally understand. All it says is add the 3 of them together and see if you get 2. Right? But if you like to write it out, you're more than welcome. -1 minus 2 more is -3 plus 5 equals 2. Combining those two now, -3 plus 5 is 2 equals 2. We got true yet again. 2 for 2. If it works in this third situation, we absolutely have a solution. So I'm going to say x plus 3y minus 2z equals -17. And my numbers, one more time, were -1, -2, 5. That says -1. Positive 3 times -2 is -6. And -2 times 5 is -10 equals -17. I'm going to combine the -1 and the -6. -1 and -6 make -7. Minus 10 is -17. -7 minus 10 more is -17 equals -17. We have true, true, true. All 3 of them were true. It worked in all 3 situations. That is the solution. So our answer is yes. That's what you would write, yes. Not so bad, right? A lot faster than 11.5 minutes.